Hi there, everybody. Look at this face and see if you can tell how aggravated I am. Okay, starting at the first, here's what happened. After spending time thinking about it and visiting with the young lady that does all of my social media, because you know I'm a big social media star too on Instagram and Facebook, but just in case you didn't know that, we have decided instead of starting a new channel, I am going to just incorporate my DIYs on this channel. We talked about it, 60-something style. What does style encompass? It encompasses everything from what you wear, where you live, how you dress, how you eat, how you design your home. And I think that 60-something style pretty much covers it all. So I'm going to be doing my DIYs on here. I'll continue doing other things. We'll do makeup, we'll do wig reviews, we will just do anything that comes up that we flippin' want to do. But here's why I'm aggravated. Over the last month or so, if you'll remember, I've talked about this little chest. It's a 4-drawer chest that I have been upgrading, redoing, whatever you want to call it. And I was so excited because I filmed myself painting it and doing the blending and the wash and the wax and just everything that I did to it. And once I uploaded all of those clips onto my editing program and I saved them off, I thought everything's great. All I've got to do is I need to shoot an intro and an extra. I guess, is that what you call an extra? I don't know, but the end. So anyway, I got that done and I thought, oh, I've got too many files on my camera, I'll delete all that other stuff because I've already got it uploaded and ready to go. Well, long story short, I lost every bit of the clips showing what I did to this little chest. So I'm sad, boo-hoo, it happens, crap happens, especially to me it happens a lot. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I painted this thing black with chalk paint. I had an inspiration piece, which I'm going to insert in here so you can see where my inspiration came from. And so let's see, I painted it with chalk paint. And then I used a silver metallic and I blended that in, and it was a little bit too much silver, so I went in and I mixed my chalk paint half and half paint, half water, did a wash over that, wiped it down, and I really started getting the look I liked. It was still not exactly there. There was something missing, and I kept thinking and thinking. Well, I woke up yesterday morning at 5 o'clock. I don't know if I had an epiphany, I don't know what happened, but I knew exactly what I needed to do. And so I got my dark wax, it's Kiehl's dark finishing wax, which you use on top of chalk paint. I got that. I waxed the top of this little chest, wiped it down and buffed it, and what it did, it just toned down the silver a little bit. It toned down the blending. It kind of just finished it, brought it all together, and I loved it. So in all these clips that I lost, I showed you how I waxed it and how I wiped it down and I buffed it. And then I showed you how I painted the knobs, and then I used a silver, kind of like a little silver buffing polish that I bought at Hobby Lobby, and I'll be using that on other projects. I'll be showing it to you. I'll show you the little can it comes in, all of that. But I highlighted the knobs with that silver, got the look exactly like I wanted. In the course of doing that, I totally screwed up something, messed up, which I always do. It was pretty funny. But I also forgot to have the microphone turned on, so I am freaking dangerous when it comes to all this YouTube stuff. I don't, I don't even know why y'all watch me, but if it's for entertainment, good for you. Anyway, I was able to salvage a photograph of my inspiration piece, which is a piece that I bought on Wayfair.com a couple of years ago. I paid over $300 for it, so it's a nice piece. And then the little piece that I have redone, which I'm in love with, I'm going to use for my nightstand. Now I'm going to try to find something similar in shape to it and do it for my husband's side of the bed. And when I do find that piece, I promise you I will show y'all the process. I won't make you watch me do all the painting and all of that because I know how boring that can be, but I will show you the process. But anyway, I was able to salvage the photo of the inspiration piece, and I was able to salvage a clip of the final look of my piece, which I'm very proud of and very very excited to show you. So although you're not going to get to see the whole process, it'll come. There'll be another project I'll be doing. You can see the process and the messes I make and the mistakes I make and how I fix them and how sometimes you have to start over. But we're going to learn together. So anyway, sit back. I will show you my inspiration piece. I will show you the piece that I finished. And I ask that while you're watching at the end of this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you will please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so every time one of my Garmin Mess videos comes up, you'll be notified and you'll know it'll be something that you can laugh at. And a thumbs up would be great. I think somehow YouTube looks at how many thumbs up you get or whatever. I don't know. But if you want to give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you don't, no big deal. So anyway, enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. All right, here it is, finished up. The little mirror behind it, I bought at Walmart. It was on clearance for $3, regular $15, so that was a pretty good deal. I just stuck some roses on there that I had done myself. Got them at the Dollar Tree. I did DIY, gosh, months and months ago on how to do those. We might do some more of those on my my new DIY. Then here we go on down, and you can see where I highlighted the side of this, the side of the top in silver, the side of the drawers are silver. Kind of gives it a little tuxedo look. Then we'll come back over here so you can see the front all the way down. There we go. Going to be going in my bedroom, and that's going to be the final look. Once the bedroom's finished, you'll get to see it in there.